All right, this is the last question on Module 8 homework that I got an email about. So this will be it for today. Module 6 homework, question number 38. And I'll come back and do the Module 7 homework problems on Monday. All right, a research center claims that 26% of adults in a certain country would travel into space on a commercial flight if they could afford it. Look. This is percent, right? This is proportion. We're working with proportion this time. What's the claim being made here for part A? The claim being made is that the proportion is 26%, right? That's what the research center is claiming. So the percentage of adults in the country who would travel into space on a commercial flight if they could afford it is equal to. So I'll go with this last one. 26% of adults in this country, they will go to space if they can afford it. So that's the claim being made. So if we write that in symbol, we're saying that P is equal to 0.26, and the alternative automatically has to be the opposite of equal to. So it's going to be not equal to. So that's how we can easily identify the claim and the hypothesis. They want us to use technology to find p-value. Now for these types, it's easy because you just have to recognize that this is proportion, okay? 26% is proportion, okay? There is only one option for proportion, which is proportion stat, one sample, and we have summary. Data will be when we actually have numbers typed in here, okay? So stat, proportion stat, one sample with summary. What's the sample size? Look, a big sample size, 1100. And look, out of those 1100, 28% says, yes, I'm going to go to space. So we have to figure out how many is 28% of 1100 is. So what is 1100 times 28%? 0.28. And that is approximately exactly 308 people. So 308 people is the number of success. 1100 is the observation. All right, I'm just going to change the hypothesis to match what we have. The hypothesis is that mu is, the p equals 0.26, and the alternative is p does not equal to 0.26. That's it. And the p-value is 13%. That's too big. Sorry. Oh, they want the test statistic first. Like, why do we care about this if we can just make a conclusion using the p-value? But yeah. All right, let's go ahead and give them the p-value, which is 0.131, round to the 3 decimal places. That's too big. That compared to 10% alpha level, 13% is too big. So what do we have to say? When p is bigger than the alpha level, we have to say we failed to reject the null. We failed to reject the null hypothesis. There's not enough evidence. Whenever you fail to reject, whenever you have a big p-value, you got no evidence, okay? You just have to say there is not enough evidence to. Now, what was the claim being made here? The claim being made was that it is equal to 26%. When we failed to reject the null, we are stuck with this null. So, we can't really reject what the research claim is, center's claim was made. We're not saying that the research center's claim is correct. We just say that it's not wrong. So there's a difference between that, right? There's a difference between someone being innocent and someone being not guilty. So that's how you could make conclusion about this problem. And this one was question number 38 on Module 6 homework. And I believe that's all the emails I got from Module 6 homework. So if you guys could send me like reasonable amount of homework questions, I'll do my very best to go over as many as I can. But I'm not available 24/7. So if you want to definitely check out that tutor.com 24/7 service through Canvas, you should, okay? Because with the semester ending in a week, you may need some help when I'm not available because I need to sleep and, go enjoy my weekend and stuff. But I will be back on Monday to go over as many as Module 7 homework questions. And starting on Monday, we will start going over some final exam review problems too. But that's it for this problem.